Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Enjoy this video.
You think I won't do it, Ray? You think I won't?
I know you won't. You won't.
I'm crazy.
Do it.
I'm crazy. I'm literally crazy.
You won't do it.
I'm an
You know
actual madman. I'll do it.
I believe it.
Do it.
You are. You are a madman.
Do it. Do it.
I can't do it. I can't do it. I did it. I did it, Ray. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I'm crazy, Ray. I'm crazy.
I am so ready to be
Look,
perma-blinded
guys,
between
I'll be honest.
our breach and our sky.
I've actually never. What? Where is everybody?
Oh shoot.
Okay.
I did not need to use
Eyes
the
down.
thingos, but you know
Where
what?
are they? Any ideas? Oh.
They're both in ropes.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh my god, I shouldn't have been able to do that. I shouldn't have been able to do that. Probably has, I don't know. It costs money. How much money does... No way, there's no way we flip... Okay, okay. Oh, jeez. Okay, we just gotta meet him at the apartments. We'll be there in a minute. I was about to say, there's no way we flip over there. There's no way. Oh god. Alright, I'm gonna have to... Gotta remember to ask about the Discordian group later. Rifles are 1,000? I was just gonna... Okay, this is gonna sound really... I'm alive. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm fine. No, no. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Oh my god, we almost died. Jesus. Alright, thank god we keep like 4 medkits on us. Oh my god, I thought I was dead. I thought I was dead. Okay, this is why you wear your seatbelt.
How much?
I don't know. I think he said like... He wants like... He's literally at the ATM with her. I can't believe she's actually giving him like $500. It's crazy. He's just straight up...
Okay, I got you.
Yeah, hold on. I gotta help him scam her, so you gotta give me a minute. I'll call you back, okay?
Alright, good luck, See you later.
Yeah, I'll call you back later, Benji.
Alright, I'll be here.
Hey,
you
might have stalled him.
Yes.
You did it! She's gonna lose the phantom! Oh, that kind of worked out. I think it's A. Out. Never mind, there's
Oh,
one here.
nice.
Huh?
Oh my. Oh, Sykkuno.
Sykkuno?
I don't know if I can... What? Oh, God! He was behind me! Wait, you can see their names are under...
Sykkuno, you're gonna choose where we go at 2 seconds left, okay?
Alright.
Ready? And go.
Yep, I'm going B.
Alright.
Just kidding, I'm going B.
Oh,
Genius plays right there. Genius.
They got jukes.
Okay. What? I thought they said it wasn't for me. I like how it just swings back. Oh. I'll be there in a minute.
Hey, I'll be waiting.
Yeah. Oh no. Wait, we're fine. All right. This car is it's a little too fast, but that was clean. No damage. Actually, no damage. Yeah, we actually have 2 bathrooms, but instead of separating them, we just let people do what they want. You know, what? What is he doing in there?
Cornwood, make sure you tip the pitch person, okay?
He ain't doing nothing.
That's why I asked, by the way.
Okay.
I don't have mine on. Just
You should probably put yours on.
no, it chafes me. I don't believe in seatbelts.
Okay. So
Wait,
where,
so I was going
where
the
are we
right way
now?
the first time.
Yes.
So I'm going back there.
Yes.
Maybe if we
Oh my
drive
God.
off the road, it'll be safer.
Oh my god. Oh my god, how did you land that?
Okay, I was thinking we won't ram into any
Oh
cars if we
my-
drive. Oh God, we're gonna.
Bye.
All right. Well, I don't see how this is gonna go wrong. All right, I got 10. Oh,
Motherfucker, why do you have to punch me every day, man?
I'm so sorry.
What?
You okay?
I'm so sorry.
Employees attack you. I am so
No,
sorry.
Oh, Jesus.
We're completely fine.
Oh, so I think I could do that, Benji.
Yo, what's up, girl? You got 10K? Something like
No,
that.
that doesn't sound like me at all, Benji. That. Here, why don't you try it on
No,
someone
no,
over
no,
here?
We're winning right now, yeah.
Here,
Actually,
you
no,
should.
we're
Oh,
losing.
right
We're
there,
losing
Riley. Here, try it on her.
Okay.
Go for it, Benji.
everything. No,
Show me how it's done.
You do it. You do it.
I think I need to watch you do it first. Here, I'll eat a
How
sandwich.
you do it? Do it, do it, do it. You do it.
What,
He's gonna ask you for
what do you want me to
something.
do? What do you want me to do?
You know.
This
Fuck,
is the
I can't
worst.
do it, man.
What?
You gotta do it, Benji. You gotta do it. We
you
need
gotta
it.
do it. Yeah.
We gotta make our money back.
Hey,
tell her it's a
hi.
loan.
What
You
the,
got
it's up?
10K.
Yes.
What?
How about a loan?
Oh, you would like a
Right.
loan of $10,000.
Yeah.
For what?
For like, you know. just
I
gonna-
would give it to you for anything, so long as you don't gamble it.
Okay, sure. Yeah, I'm not gonna gamble.
I'm dead. I'm dead. Rolling Thunder. Oh.
He's elbow
Oh,
on B.
The lamps. So I thought he was at lamps. He was healing himself.
Let's go.
And our save round. Yeah.
Guys, are you?
I love girls.
Oh yeah, me too.
Oh, Sykkuno? Sykkuno loves girls. Oh, you're just
What is I was just trying to join it. I was trying to join it. I was trying to fit in with every.
Yeah.
Bye. It's like
Oh.
21
Hey, Layla.
and it was closed.
You walked in on me peeing.
I think we might have opened a bit later.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Oh no, that was.
And I just won 8 grand.
Well,
Alright, I'm happy right now.
Hell yeah.
Well, I work here. I was supposed to clean the toilets. I was just checking.
So you creep on people when they're
What?
peeing, right?
No, I was
That's your
clean,
job?
I was cleaning the toilets. I'm the janitor.
Yeah, that's what I've heard it called before too.
Oh.
Like cleaning the toilets?
Uh huh.
It's like a euphemism. That's what it's called, right?
It is.
Toilets?
For what?
A whole pervert.
Oh.
That's what.
What? No, you can ask my boss. She's in the bathroom over there.
He actually is a janitor, though.
Yeah, I really am a janitor.
I believe it.
Uh huh.
Yeah.
Oh shoot. One heaven and one hell.
What? Please let me headshot you. Maybe I don't know. I did just wake up a couple hours ago. Some people say I sound a little bit different right after I wake up. But I don't know. I'm sure it'll be fine. Anyway, holding Pokey hostage. I saw that. I was very confused by that, but you know, I thought it was kind of cool. Are you drinking? No, I'm not. I don't plan on drinking today. I don't drink very often at all. I'm extremely lightweight, guys, so I can't drink very much at all. Doctor Who, thanks for the sub and caffeine. You sound fine. If Yvonne somehow dies, we'll take the judge from her. Nice, Yvonne. Well, how am I going to get the judge? He's going to camp it.
Oh,
Nice.
Jesus!
There, now you got
Jesus! Oh, Spectre.
Yeah.
Alright, there's no way. It's 3 against 1. I'm dead. What?
Oh, one's garage.
Oh. I just gotta kill him anyway. Oh, jeez. He's gonna peek me again, right? He can't resist.
Yeah, he can.
How am I reloading?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
He's gonna do it again. He's gonna
You
do
can
it.
get this guy. You can get this guy.
Ow, my feet.
Oh.
Oh my God, I'm dead.
No, Sykkuno,
Oh God, I'm dead. My foot. Oh Jesus. My foot, and then the trap, and then. No. I got it, guys. Don't worry. At full speed. What? His gun broke. We had no choice. We had no ammo left. What is this? This is the worst hunting trip. This is literally. Oh no! How do you? I'm gonna hide in this corner. Yeah, thanks for the sub. Wow, thanks, Leslie.
Hand delivered.
Oh my God!
Oh God!
Oh god.
I was so in panic. I was watching you heal me, and then you just got.
Don't worry. There's no way we lose.
140
There's
on
no
her though.
way we
She's
lose.
one
We
shotable.
actually
One
can't.
shotable. You can shoot her anywhere. She'll die. Okay.